Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely day so far. If you're making plans for the rest of the weekend, overall it's not looking too bad for many of us. Now we're going to see quite a bit of cloud around on Sunday with some drizzly bits and pieces of rain across the north, but for most of us it will be a dry end to the week and it's going to be feeling a little bit warmer out there too. So let's take a look at the bigger picture. We can see throughout the next 24 hours. So we do have this low pressure out towards the east, and that's what's going to allow the cloud and a little bit of rain at times across more northern parts. But further south, where we've got the high pressure, that's going to keep us largely dry, albeit quite cloudy at times. Now for the rest of tonight, still perhaps one or two showers, but for most of us it will be dry out there, a mix of cloud and clear skies. So where we do get the clear skies tonight, there will be a few pockets of mist and fog out there, but that will lift quite quickly as we move into Sunday morning. So some bright spells around to begin with, but you can see the cloud will start to increase as we move through the day, especially across more northern parts. So here may just be a few drizzly bits and pieces of rain at times, but for most of us it will be a dry end to the week and feeling warmer than today. We're looking at highs there, 22 degrees, 22 is 72 in Fahrenheit. Make the most of it though, as it looks like we'll get off to a rather bright start to the day on Monday, but then this low pressure here out towards the west is going to drive this system towards us, eventually bring in some outbreaks of rain. You can see not much wind around this low too, so the rain may be fairly prolonged in places. So overall, as we go into next week, still staying fairly unsettled, a mixture of sunny spells and showers, but temperatures will be on the warm side. We're back up to around 22 or 23 degrees in places. Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely day so far. If you're making plans for the rest of the weekend, overall it's not looking too bad for Sunday. So there's going to be quite a bit of cloud around at times, so the chance of the odd shower, but for most of us it will be a dry end to the week and it's going to be feeling a little bit warmer out there too. So let's take a look at the bigger picture. We can see quite a lot going on as we go through the next 24 hours. So we've got this low pressure here out towards the east, and that's potentially going to bring some cloud and some drizzly bits and pieces of rain into more northern parts of our region. But generally, with this high pressure here fairly close by, for most of us it will be largely dry throughout tomorrow, albeit quite cloudy at times. Now, as we go through the rest of this evening, still a chance of the odd shower, but for most of us it will be dry as we move through the small hours, a mix of cloud and clear skies. So there may just be a few pockets of mist and fog out there tonight, but that will lift quite quickly as we move into tomorrow morning. So for many of us, a nice bright start to the day first thing, but you can see thicker cloud as we move through the day, especially across more northern parts. And here, this is where we're expecting a few drizzly bits and pieces of rain at times. But for most of us, it will be a dry day, some bright or sunny intervals at times. It's going to feel a little warmer than today too. We're expecting highs there up to around 21 degrees, 21 in Old Money is 70 in Fahrenheit. And then looking ahead towards next week, well, it looks like Monday will start off fine, dry and bright, but you can see waiting in the wings here, this low pressure here out towards the west is going to drive this system across the UK as we move into the new working week. So it looks like we'll see some showers at times. Some of these could be heavy and thundery. And all in all next week, sunny spells and showers, but it will be feeling a little bit warmer in places.